Hey guys, are you feeling the need for speed? Ow! So anyway, that's what one of the lines there on the original Top Gun. Many of you are a little bit too young for that, but anyway, actually you can see the new movie. But speed, many times we'll hear it from teachers and English teachers. It's called fast English. And why do Americans speak with such speed? It's not really that we're speaking quickly. It only sounds that way, and then many times you can hear that in other languages as well. And the thing is to know why it sounds fast, the reason for it. And here's the basic reason for it. It's because we cheat. And we're not saying all of the sounds, and we're not saying all of the vowels that you see there. So really your eyes can fool you. And you see this in Spanish and in other languages as well, that if you're not really familiar with what they're doing, it sounds fast. For example, darte la gracia. So what I'm really wanting to say is darte las gracias. So if I wanted to say it completely, it's going to have to slow down because of we're actually trying to pronounce every single letter. But in American English, just like you see in other languages, we cheat. We're leaving some of the words out. So how can we find out what sounds and what letters or what have you that we cheat on or actually leave out to make it sound a little bit more quick, just like a native English speaker? So again, you feel the need for speed. So check.
May very well mean the difference between life and death.
Your reputation precedes you.
I have to admit, I wasn't expecting an invitation back.
They're called orders, Maverick.
All right, guys, did you see the secret? So you had several examples of it, but what's the secret? How can you tell which one of these vowel sounds disappears? It's really called the schwa, where it's replaced by just like air or just a sound. So let's take the word difference. Difference. Notice I didn't say difference. Différence, with my French accent going on. It's just difference. And so if you look at it, the E that disappeared and just went like that just disappeared was really an unstressed part of the word. Look where the emphasis is in that word. It's on that I, isn't it? Diff. So you're going to say it many times, and remember, this is English, so it's gonna change sometimes. But a good rule is that the vowel sound that's not stressed or emphasized many times. Remember, it's not 100%. Just many times it will disappear. So take a look at that word difference. So remember how quickly that would be instead of difference, and if you said difference, how quickly that happens, or even sounds if you don't know what people are doing. So look at that, and then look at the other words that we went through on this video and see if you can apply it. So remember, the unstressed or the unemphasized vowel sounds many times will disappear. Difference. So check that out and see if you can apply that with several of the words that you've been having trouble with. Try to do that today. Make it a goal to do that today, and you'll see a huge difference. Talk to you later.